Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply color palette to any design in your Canva. Basically you have some color palette that will match with the color and you can apply in just one click to your Canva existing design or new design. To do this you just need to find a color palette. Here in my case I already have some color palette that I choose. So you can see this is one of my color palette, this is one of my color palette. So I can just apply the color to my existing design in just one click. So let me show you one example. So let's say I want to use this color palette, and you can find this kind of color from Google or any other places. Like these four color go with each other, that's why it's say the color palette. So once we are here and we have the color palette, what we need to do, we just upload the image to Canva and then insert in our design. Now just right click on the color palette and you can see apply colors to page. Now you see this four color is right here and it will automatically apply to different elements. And if you want to change the color palette, like I really don't like this design, so what I can do, I can just again right click on this and then click again. It will automatically change the design. Now you can see we have the different design right now and I really like this design. So you can see by this way you can easily apply any color palette to your design through any color image or color palette image. So I hope you like the video and how it's easy to do this. I really also don't know this process previously and I just learned it, so I will share with you guys. So I hope this video helped, and if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.